Everybody, welcome back to another video from Mass Gamer, Mass Boss. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to install Lucky Patcher. If you saw my previous video on how to hack Subway servers and you didn't have Lucky Patcher, this is the video that you should check out. So, first, I'll show you. So, first I'm going to install it because I already have it. First, you need to download Apatoid through Google. I'll show you how to do that. First, you need to find Google. Sorry, I just have a lot of apps here. Okay, now I'll pause it so I can search real quick. Okay, so now that you have Apatoid up, so what you would do, you'll search Apatoid. Apatoid right here. Then right here. Just let it load, and then you need to turn on unknown sources to complete this action. But since I already have it, it doesn't really affect me. So just go to your settings, go to privacy and security. Then all you gotta do is turn on unknown sources. Come right here. Then I don't know why. Hold on a second. Okay, so there it is, download. And then I'll download this. I'll pause it right here. Once it installs. Wait, hold on a second. Okay, so as you guys see now, it's starting to download. Don't worry about that bottom one. That one I'm not worried about. I'm just worried about that one. And then, okay, so now I'm going to open it.
Oh, there it is. You got it?
Yeah, so we're not going to worry about the other Apatoid. After this video is done, I'll come back to all this downloads. And then, sorry if you just heard that. But yeah, as I was saying, is you just do all the other steps until here. I'll pause you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, now where's Apatoid? Nope. There it is, Apatoid. Now
you're using that, right? Huh? What? Record?
okay, so now you just skip through all this. You don't have to worry about that login. That doesn't need done. Then you'll search Lucky Patcher. Lucky Patcher. Okay. And we'll just download Lucky Patcher. Shouldn't take too long. Because
we changed Mason's bus time for pickup to 7:34. Period. Effective tomorrow. Period.
okay, now that it's doing this now, guys, Sorry, my mom's texting my dad because my bus just changed.
And pickup is
Today.
about 3:30.
So, yep.
Is the window staying open tonight?
Yeah. Okay.
The last night that it's supposed to be cool out, so.
Now you just let Lucky Pacher install. Installing. Okay, then you'll open it.
That sheet. Ashley.
Let me know when he's done with that video.
And then
That sheet. That you put
That's-
down there, that's just his pee or dog pee. His pee. Alright, I'm gonna use that to cover up. I don't like his pee.
that's the tutorial for this. Deuce. Have a good day or night. Whenever you're watching this, just those steps and you'll get it.
If you flip it upside
Deuce.
down,
I know.